my rook / Ceph setup. And so we are going to go ahead and try and fix that. Trying to finish cluster setup, fixing my PVC. Okay, let's make sure. Yep, looks like it started on YouTube. And probably Twitch too. Cool. That looks like it started. So that's great. We are going to go ahead and try and unfuck this, I guess. That's a way of saying it. So for background, let's update that. Cool. So for background from yesterday, while I was like looking at the Ceph stuff, it looks like my assumption that like I could use this path, this ZFS storage pool path, and then I would just use the ZFS pools that I had created on my storage nodes, is decidedly incorrect. So we are going to go ahead and try and fix that. Okay. CFS. So, cool. And I'm going to go ahead. There's the setup. There's something about ZFS here. Okay, I guess that's... okay, here we go. So... setup install zfs.sh. Did I just get rid of that? I guess I did. Okay, so... okay. Okay. So here is what I want to do instead. So I could either try and create like a VM pool, or can I make OSDs on empty partitions? That's an interesting question. Let's find out, because I do not know. So there's this PR for rook. Lets you use a LV, but I don't think we need that. Okay, so OSD on partition. Okay, so what I'm going to try, and I have no idea if this is going to work, but we're going to start off. Okay, cube ctl get all. Let's see, is rook deployed? I have no idea. Looks like it's not. Oh wait, all namespaces. Yeah, it is deployed. Okay. So set up rook.sh. I think what we'll do temporarily is we're just going to go ahead. We're gonna just clean everything up. Oh, okay. Let's run setup rook. Then, while that's running, cpool list, cpool status. Interesting. There are storage devices, right? I feel like, yeah, there are. Okay, cool. So there's totally storage devices. Cool. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna work. Cpool ls, cpool list, cpool delete cfs storage pool, cpool I guess maybe it would be zpool remove. Hey! Okay. Maybe zpool destroy. Zpool destroy.
We talked to some hobos.
Oh. That sounds like an authentic part of... Yes. Oh, alright. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to destroy that. CFS. Okay, cool. So, I guess the thing that I want to try doing, and I don't... Oh, hey, princess! Do I get to vote this year? That's a legit question, and the answer is no, I do not get to vote. That's okay. But I don't know. No votes. No votes for me. Unless, I guess, if there was an election called in Canada, I could probably vote. But, yeah. It's another 2 years before I can get citizenship, and in theory start voting in American elections. Okay. So, my brain is a little slow today. Yes, and no. Okay. Let's go ahead, and I want to take a look. Rook, cluster, examples, Kubernetes, Ceph, rook, cluster, .yaml. Okay, I think this is what I want. So I think what I want to do, there is use all devices, and I think I'm going to set that to true, and we're going to see what happens. worst case scenario, like, this destroys everything. But, you know, also maybe not. Yeah. Okay. So the other thing that I know I want to do before I reapply this is I want to SSH to kubectl nodes. Well, let's go kubectl describe. I want to see if this is describing itself as a storage node. So you're gonna show me the labels. Okay, yeah. So it has the role of storage node. I don't want that because this machine is not actually supposed to be that. It's just my shell scripts for setting everything up. Oh, and this is the one where Avahi wasn't working. Yeah, I'll deal with this eventually. I don't know why Avahi isn't working on the x86 node. Okay. Which let's use max. And cool. It'll probably come back up in a little bit. That'll be fine. So, with that being said, I think we should be good to try running our setup script. I don't know how use all devices is going to work, but we are going to find out. I hope it works, but who knows? Okay, I am really curious as to what's going to show up here. So let's take a look. Okay. So this is the discovery, and it's skipping all of the loop devices. It's not. Like a big surprise. Although, interestingly enough, okay, so we did discover a bunch of devices. Let's look for the things that don't say skipping. Okay. It looks like it skipped all of them. I'm a little bit concerned. I am curious how rook discover works. So let's go ahead and try and figure that out. Rook discover. Okay. Yes. Don't. Okay. Well, what have we got? We've got. You don't have any ODS devices or OSD devices. It does not. Makes me think it's not working. I think. Right? I don't. Okay, there we go. So this one says available devices using the regular expressions. Okay. So that is LSBLK. Okay. So that's the thing though, because I've got these partitions which are not mounted. Those are the ones that I would really like it to use. But I don't see it doing anything with them. So okay. Discover. Okay. I think it is possible. And we're going to go back here. And I think it might just be easier for us to configure this sort of the old-fashioned way, as it were. We're going to go ahead and set this to false. And I am going to see if it's going to let me configure this in the way that I want to. So, kubectl get nodes. Well, I guess this is a node technically, so let's start with the leader node. That seems reasonable. And then we are going to do lsblk. Now this isn't technically a device, this is a partition. And I don't know how it's going to feel about this. I have a suspicion that it's going to get upset, but we'll find out. Just trying to get the discovery thing to do its thing. It doesn't seem to be cooperating with my admittedly slightly sketchy plans. So this is our next one. Oh yeah. Okay. So what's our next? Devices, name, okay, this one's only got one USB stick in it, as far as I can tell. That's fine. devices. What are my devices? Do I have any? I do, okay. The one USB stick. And okay. So, I guess let's try applying it. Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna delete it first again, just because. There's enough things to go wrong that I would rather first delete it and then see what happens next. It's gonna take a minute or two probably. That's okay though. That is okay. Okay, we're on it just to delete any stragglers. Oh. Great. Sorry, I'm too used to my Emacs being batch. Yep. And lovely. Okay. Maybe I should make a copy of this called delete rook instead. That's fine. Okay. kubectl get pods -n ceph -w. Let's see. Okay, so it's still running rook discover, which that's kind of not what I was expecting. Right? Like, one would think that you didn't need to run discover if I told you. But maybe it's running discover. Okay. Well. Did I specify that anywhere? I didn't specify this device. I don't think. Huh. Oh, maybe I got the host name wrong. I mean, I don't really have any free Hadoop books. I don't know. Yeah, I don't have that many books anymore. Like, I mean, I have fiction books that I like, but okay. PVC? No. Yeah, I mean, I can probably get kubeflow for ML. It's not finished yet. Okay, no PVC requests. Do we have any OSDs or whatever they are coming up? No, just have this discovery stuff, which is not what I want. Oh no, this. Okay, so that one didn't get anything. That's fine though. Okay, this has a bunch of local devices, but it's not really what I want. Still also not what I want. Okay, this one has no devices. It's got a bunch of loop devices. That's fine. Fine. Okay, interesting. That is probably the x86 node. So that's sketchy. But okay, that's fine. This discovery thing is not working the way I was expecting it to. Let's take a look. This one. Oh yeah. Okay. Huh. This is weird. I guess I don't know why we're still running the discovery pods if I've specified my nodes over here. Oh yeah, okay. That could be it. kubectl get node. kubectl get node. What is my host name according to okay, it is kdas-leader. So okay. That idea is not working out. Let's take a look at the logs, I guess. Ah, cool. Okay. That looks like a good reason for why it might not be working out. Expects quote or n, but found. Okay, so I probably just have invalid YAML. That sounds like something I would expect from myself. Ah, that's repeated. I think that's supposed to be SDA1. Okay. 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 Cool. Cool. Let's pods. You should see stuff going away. Cool. So yeah. Here we go. So this, like, in theory, we could use file store, but I don't think that's a great plan. Okay. I don't know. Let's, yeah, it's gonna take a little minute or two to clean this all up. I want more coffee. Anyway, okay, yeah, no, let's go over here. So on delete, we just want to power through on the delete and just delete everything. We don't really care if there's any errors. Oh. Cool. Hi, let's run this and see what happens. Still running all of these discovers. What the fuck? Why are we running all of these discovers? Okay. So, okay, so my nodes is fucked up. Is it the wrong indentation level? It looks like that should be the right indentation. Let's take a look. see the problem. Which is to say, yeah, okay. We think it's a white space issue. I hate computers. Okay. I think that's the deal. I think it was an indentation issue. So if it was, that'd be great, because that would work. Yeah. Let's do that, and hopefully it does end up being. Oh, hey Timbit. Hey baby. How's it going?
Well, outside, do you want to hold it?
Is that invitation to Holden or Timbit?
To hold it from Timbit?
Ah. Is it okay if I try a little more? I'm gonna give it another. Oh yeah, okay. Go for it. Go for it. Okay. Let's hope that this works. Okay, we're still getting all of these discovers, which is not filling me with a lot of optimism, but okay, cool. This looks like it's getting along a bit further. Oh. Except fudgesicles. Just remembered. Oh no, okay, it is in the directory entitled rook Ceph. Okay, that's looking good-ish, I think. Although we might need to clean that up from what I remember before. Okay. Okay. Doesn't look bad. Making the canaries solid. Oh. Okay. Now we create the monitors, I guess. Okay. Looks like the monitor came up. Sounds good. Okay. So if the monitor is running. So we might expect to monitor B and C, I guess. Don't see any of the OSD thingies running yet, though. Okay. Well, that's, I guess. Okay. Rook, Ceph. Quick start. Sure. 1.4. Sounds good. So we've got raw partitions. Yeah. And so we deployed a cluster on bare metal. And now we don't see any OSD devices or anything else. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I guess the part that I don't understand is why there are no OSDs. Okay, let's apply toolbox, and we're gonna exec into the toolbox. And then we can go ahead and run Ceph status. This will hopefully give us some information, which we did not previously have. Of course, that requires it to run. Yeah. So it looks like, it looks like it's making progress. Like we got past where we were last time. But I'm still not sure that it's necessarily working. So Hello, Professor Saurus. Hello.
Professor Source, I don't know. I ran out of treats
Oh no.
outside. So it said turn it and came back up.
Okay.
But like he was doing real good at catching a ball.
Do we want to go play fetch outside together?
Maybe.
Okay. So I think the cluster's made progress of some kind. Previously I was able to execute Ceph status. I think it might just take a little bit of time to settle. So we're gonna wrap. I'll come back to this tomorrow. And hopefully tomorrow we'll have made some good progress. So thanks everyone for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. In San Francisco, the air is starting to get breathable again. Fingers crossed that progress keeps going forward. And I hope the same is true for whatever challenges you're facing. I hope they're getting better. Thanks everyone.